So picture this, you start wearing your natural hair more, you start loving it, you start embracing it, you start realizing that all that beautiful kinky coily hair underneath those wigs was there this whole time. Why are you wearing wigs? You start switching up the styles, you start just really going with it more and more. And then one day you discover, hey, it was a wig the whole time. So this wig is from Hergiven Hair. It came in this nice beautiful packaging. You get the satin bag for storage. This is a human hair wig. It is 16 inches. It is coily, which is about 3C to 4A hair. This is exactly how the wig is going to look fresh out the packaging, and you're also going to get some combs in the cap. Also going to get a drawstring so you can adjust the cap. So I did shampoo and condition this wig with the shampoo that I normally use on my natural hair, and I was really impressed with how this wig really softened up and got really fluffy. So I did prep my hair. Initially I wasn't sure what kind of styles I was going to do, so I did all this like prepping because I wasn't sure how I was going to wear my hair. But as you guys see, my hair is matching pretty much that wig. My texture is about 4C hair, so you're gonna see how that matches really well. So I'm also showing you how I did prep the front because I wanted to blend that half wig. So the back part, I didn't really need that part right there, so I'm just gonna put it in a ponytail. As you guys see, my hair is thin in the back. I left that part to show you why some people wear wigs. And granted, I'm not fully bald, but my hair is thinning and it makes me really self-conscious. So never assume someone's situation of why they choose to do things, and let's just be kinder to each other. So having a wig like this really brings back that confidence of just embracing the natural hair. So I'm going to go ahead and blend my natural hair with the wig. As you guys see, I'm taking out that twist that I put in the front. It was not fully dry, but I do recommend just going in and really drying the front part before you blend it. But I still was impressed the way this blended, as you guys see with my facial reaction. So I'm going in also with serum because I find that using serum helps with less frizz when you're taking out your twists. Also, as you guys see, my edges are really thin. Toppik is pretty much my go-to for filling in my hairline. This is a hair building fiber and it helps to kind of fill in the front, so my natural hairline is going to appear fuller and thicker. And this is the final result of the first style. So let's jump into the next style. So all I'm going to do here is basically just going with a headband. You don't have to do all that blending if you don't want. You can basically just put a headband on it. This is a half wig. It's really just that simple. So the third style, I'm going to go in with some headband sleeves. Now these are a little bit longer than a regular traditional headband, and I love it for especially these bigger, kinkier styles because you can pull it all the way back and just wear your hair, and look at that. It looks like I just wrapped my hair. The next style, I'm actually going to go in with my She Is Bomb edge control. I wasn't going to mold my hairline. I wanted to make this look as natural as possible, but I was like, hey, let's switch it up and kind of make it look like a more elegant style. And all I'm doing is I'm just doing kind of a front twist, and I'm just doing like a half twist and then wearing the hair out in the back. I just wanted to show you guys the versatility of this wig and how you can literally blend it with your hair and the wig. This twist in the front is literally blended with my hair and the wig. So I'm basically doing the same exact thing to the other side. I'm twisting my natural hair with the wig. That way it blends seamlessly, and then I'm adding some bobby pins for a final look, and that's pretty much it. This next style was pretty much created like on a whim. I was about to take the wig out and I put it in a ponytail. Look how easy this is. All I'm doing is adding to that other hairstyle and putting this in a ponytail and just kind of fluffing it out and doing a bun. And it just is so pretty. There's so many things you can do with this wig. Like, the list goes on, guys. So this last style I actually did about a week after I originally filmed. I wanted to define the curls even more. I'm going in with that curl serum because it's a little thicker, and here I just defined my actual hair in the front and I actually let it dry. Then I actually defined the curls on the wig by adding some twist to it. I left one twist in there just so you guys can see how I pretty much define the wig, but I'm gonna have a short video coming up where you guys can see how I actually defined it. But I just added like some twists to the wig, like basically like about 6 to 7 big twists, and that's pretty much it. So I'm just fluffing it out and I'm blending it more. So I'm just showing you that big twist of all the twists that basically was all over the wig, and then I'm taking it out with that curl serum. Again, I'm telling you guys, taking it out with serum really helps with like the frizz and keeping it defined. So I think overall I kind of like the more defined look on this wig than using like just combing it out in the wash and go. But you know, to each his own. I'm spraying on a glosser because I do find that using a glosser also helps with the dullness and the sheen. And this is the final look. Look how natural this wig is looking, y'all. Like, people thought this was my hair. My husband thought this was my hair. My kids thought it was my hair. You can't tell me this is not my hair. So last but not least, I wanted to show you guys how it looks when you actually just kind of sleek your edges. You don't have to do this, and that's the beauty of this wig. It's such a natural wig that you can wear it pretty much however you please. I was really impressed that after multiple shampooing, this wig did not get hard, y'all. Like, it was really soft, and once it starts to get dry, just shampoo and condition it again. It's human hair, guys, so it's gonna last. There is a coupon code linked in my description box where you can save some money on this wig. Let me know which style was your favorite, and if you even like these type of wigs, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button on the way out. Give this video a thumbs up for me, and I'm gonna talk to you guys later. Bye.